National Board for Professional Teaching Standards. Partner Portal Video, Standard Reporting. Introduction. The Partner Portal is an online system designed to efficiently support third-party payers, TPPs, candidate support providers, CSPs, network users, and state agencies who partner with the National Board to support candidates. Users need to set up an account in order to access the portal. In this video, we will review: how do I access candidate information in reports? What are the different ways to view candidate information reports? How do I use filters in reports? How do I access the Partner Portal? To create an account, visit the National Board Partner Portal sign-in page at nbptspartnerportal.pearson.com/signin. You may also access the website by scanning the QR code shown. Access to candidate information in reports. The reports feature allows partners to get insights into their candidates, or the people who exist in the National Board candidate registration system. The candidates you have access to via the Partner Portal are determined by your permissions and whether a candidate has elected to release their information to you. If you cannot see a certain candidate or their demographic information, contact that candidate and ask them to update the information release questions in their National Board account in My Profile. Please note, report data is automatically updated based on candidate activity within their account. Candidate Information Reports. On the Reports tab of the Partner Portal, you can create reports, which can be downloaded as CSV files, to fit your organization's needs. In the left navigation, click Reports. Then, click the Candidate Information Reports icon. There are two options available for reporting in the Candidate Information Reports section: Detailed View and Summary View. To help you know which view to use, Detailed View will only display the data you have selected. This view also includes the exam abbreviation filter so that you can view the components a candidate has selected. Summary View includes all the data you have access to. If you are a CSP or network user, you will see the data you requested access to. If you are a TPP, this includes data for all candidates, so you must first apply a state filter. Detailed View. To begin, click Detailed View. Although the Detailed View defaults displaying no candidates, after you apply a filter, it will display the complete history for a candidate's most recent National Board application, presenting a comprehensive view of all component attempts, with each component listed on a single row per candidate. It includes Exam Abbreviation Filter. To filter data in Detailed View, click the Apply Filter button. Start by defining the criteria from the drop-down menu. Use the Filter drop-down to refine your search. Add as many fields as needed. But note that you can only add filters one at a time. Use the Delete button as necessary to remove a filter. To help you filter, learn the operator definitions. Filtering to equal to will return all candidates that are an exact match to the value. Filtering to not equal to will return all candidates that are different from the value. Filtering to contains will return all candidates that contain the value. Filtering to doesn't contain will return all candidates that do not contain the value. And lastly, filtering to starts with will return all candidates that match the start of the value. To further refine your search, select a filter match criteria. Selecting Match All will result in a filter where if all conditions are true, there is a match. For example, selecting Name, Smith, and State, MD, will result in all candidates named Smith in Maryland. Selecting Match At Least One will result in a filter where if at least one condition is true, there is a match. For example, selecting Name, Smith, State, MD, all Smiths and all Maryland candidates will display. The default fields for every report are candidate ID, first and last name, email address, ethnicity, and gender, but you can use the Add Remove Columns drop-down to select all or add or remove columns to your preference. Once customized for your needs, click Apply Filter to generate a report. If the filter results in multiple pages, you can use the navigation at the bottom left of the screen to go to previous or next pages. You can either increase or decrease the number of rows displayed at the bottom right of the screen. If you want to export your report, click the Download Data button. All fields, regardless of what is selected, will export to an Excel spreadsheet. Please note, if you are having problems with downloading data, you may have too many filters selected and may need to remove a filter in order to download. Now let's demonstrate using more filters in detailed view by viewing all applicants/candidates with unpaid components. Start by applying any filter in the detailed view. For example, let's select employment state and specify that it's equal to AK. Click Apply Filter. Then, select the Add Remove Columns drop-down menu. Click to expand Certification Application Component Details. Check Component Purchased. Then, click the Download Data button. This will output a report that includes the component purchased column that indicates Y and N as appropriate for each candidate. Summary View. For the next option under Candidate Information Report, click Summary View. This report style defaults to displaying all candidates that you have access to, one row per candidate. Please note, the main search page for Summary View looks very similar to Detailed View except it defaults to displaying all the candidates that you have access to instead of starting from scratch. By applying a school year filter, for example, Summary View presents a list of each candidate's component history for a specific academic year, with each component listed on a single row per candidate. To start, you can filter using the same process as in Detailed View. To customize your report, click Apply Filter. Once customized, click Apply Filter. To view school year specific information about a candidate or candidates, select the associated rows. Then, click the View Progress by School Year button. Select a school year to filter on from the drop-down. For this example, 2023 to 2024 will be selected. Once your selection has been made, click View Progress by School Year. At any point in your search refinement, you may export your results using the Download Data button or start a new search using Reset. Please note, if you are having problems with downloading data, you may have too many filters selected and may need to remove a filter in order to download. Now let's demonstrate using more filters in Summary View. Start by clicking the Apply Filter button. Select the Filter drop-down menu. To view all candidates who have paid a registration fee, select Active Registration Filter with value equal to Y. To view all candidates who have an application in progress, select Match at least one in the Filter Match Criteria drop-down. Then, select the Total Initial Components Taken filter with value equal to 1. Then, add 3 more filters Total Initial Components Taken with value equal to 2, 3, and 4. To view all initial candidates, select Credential Certificate Name filter with value equal to blank. To view all candidates in third-year registration cycle without 4 paid initial components, select Application Initial End School Year filter with value equal to desired school year. Then, add another filter Total Initial Components Taken with value not equal to 4. Click Apply Filter. If the filter results in multiple pages, you can use the navigation at the bottom left of the screen to go to previous or next pages. You can either increase or decrease the number of rows displayed at the bottom right of the screen. If you want to export your report, click the Download Data button. All fields, regardless of what is selected, will export to an Excel spreadsheet. Please note, if you are having problems with downloading data, you may have too many filters selected and may need to remove a filter in order to download. Learn more about filters and report fields. You can learn more about how to access certain information using commonly used summary view filters and report field descriptions in the National Board Certification Partner Portal User Guide, standard reporting available on the National Board website. Summary. In this video, you learned how to use reports, what the different views are for candidate information reports, how to filter data in reports. Contact us. For questions regarding reporting, please contact us at 877-370-1524, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, or by using our Partner Portal web form located at nbptspartnerportal.pearson.com/sign-in. Thank you for watching.